अजी सुनते हो? ये वीडियो पूरा एंटरटेनमेंट एंड लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंस डिस्कस करने के लिए बनाया गया है।
आज हम ऐसी पर्सनैलिटी देखने वाले हैं जो सबका फेवरेट फैमिली बॉय है, जो सबका फेवरेट सीनियर है एंड जो सबका फेवरेट जूनियर भी है, जो ऑलवेज रेडी रहता है किसी को कोई भी एडवाइस देने के लिए, किसी को कोई भी सजेशंस देने के लिए एंड किसी के लिए भी एनी टाइम हेल्प करने के लिए, जिसके लिए उसके प्रिंसिपल सबसे ऊपर है, चाहे फिर कुछ भी हो जाए। बट किस्मत ना बड़ी ख़राब चीज़ होती है दोस्तों, जो इंसान को गिराती भी है एंड उठाती भी है। बट आज के हमारे मेहमान ने वो प्रूव करके दिखाया है कि एक छोटी सी एज में अगर आपके माइंडसेट, प्रिंसिपल, एम्स, गोल्स ये सब अगर फिक्स है तो आप दुनिया में कुछ भी अचीव कर सकते हो। तो चलिए देखते हैं आज के हमारे वर्सेटाइल पर्सनैलिटी की कहानी।
Hi Shubham. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I am good. So finally we are going to take our first interview.
Yeah. After a long.
Yeah, after almost 2 months.
Yes, after 2 months. Sorry for not giving you time.
Yeah.
I was in busy schedule actually.
No, not an issue. Don't worry.
Yeah.
So let me introduce to you, to our audience. So guys, our first guest, our first talk is with my brother, my bhai, and my best friend, Mr. Shubham Dudane. What can I say about him? He is 10th school topper, then best advisor we had in our engineering college, then he is family driver, then he is best suggestion man. I mean, whenever you want any suggestion, he will give proper suggestion to you, he will properly guide you. And cherry on the top, he is pan India manager in water treatment and air treatment industry. So how can you I mean, कैसे हैंडल कर लेता है इतने सब चीज़ें?
No, it's not that hard. बस step by step चल रहा है काम. धीरे सामने जाना है तो.
So shall we start our first
Yes,
talk?
please.
Yeah. So as you are 10th up to 10th school topper, so हम सबके जहन में यही ख्याल रहता है कि स्कूल टॉपर की एक अलग जिंदगी होती है। तो up to 10th, how was your school life?
Yes, kind of it was a different life actually. I was not a kind of normal guy. I was always busy in my curriculums, so I'm not involved much in extracurricular activities. So even in school days, even in lunchtime, I used to read my books only. So I was not boring actually, but yes, I was much of a curriculum guy, not extracurriculum guy. But I was enjoying my studies, and something there in my mind was I need to do it, and there was a vision in mind which needs to be fulfilled. So I was just running behind it, and it was fun.
Okay, I mean, starting से एकदम पूरा studious mind में reading books and doing extra curriculum activity, all these things.
Yeah.
So after 10 उसकी भी एक अलग लाइफ रहती है, like 11, 12, then engineering, and I think from 11, 12 to graduation सबकी एक good अच्छी memories बनती है. I mean, all they are created good memories. So would you like to share some good memories with us?
Yes, definitely. So there are different memories at 10th level, 12th level, then engineering. There are different memories with different people. So, but I always I remember my engineering memories with you people. So those were just fantastic days. We enjoyed a lot. हॉस्टल की मस्ती, देवभोग की कैंटीन, हॉस्टल की मस्ती, हॉस्टल के बर्थडेज, then this college, like gatherings, events. It was all fun. So I remember each and every day of college. So it was just fantastic. It was just fantastic.
So as you spoke about birthday memories, so do you remember your last year birthday in engineering?
Yeah, yeah. It was a massive gathering actually. I think almost all batches were united for my birthday at a single platform actually. So it was, yes, I remember that.
Now, guys, I will show you one image you can see on your screen. So, as you can see, almost 40-50 people came for his birthday from first year, second year, third year and final year. So, आप समझ सकते हो भाई की कितनी पहचान थी कॉलेज में.
तो जैसे कि गाइज ये पूरा फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर, इवन फाइनल ईयर भी और कुछ एमटेक के स्टूडेंट्स भी बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए आए थे गार्डन में. हमने ये गार्डन में दोपहर में बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया था. फिर ये सब पीक से हमारे हॉस्टल के, जहाँ पे हमने हॉस्टल में रात को 12 बजे सेलिब्रेट किया था, यहाँ पे भी सभी लोग आए थे. ये हमारी हॉस्टल की जो चौराहा रहता है वहाँ की मस्ती, वहाँ का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन. देन ये हमारे रूम में सेलिब्रेट किया था, जो हमने हमारी परंपरा थी कि पट्टी बांध के उसको मारना पहले, उसके बाद सेलिब्रेट करना.
तो जस्ट कि अपन लोगों से बहुत ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड थे, अपन जूनियर्स, सीनियर्स, इट वाज ऑल काइंड ऑफ फैमिली बीइंग इन अ हॉस्टल.
Yes.
Yeah.
Another thing, do you remember Devabhavu canteen?
Yes. Who can forget that actually? Java was having almost 6-7 kind of pohas. So he was having sada poha, then there was anda poha, then
Chiuda
there
poha.
was chiuda poha, then there's aloo anda poha, aloo anda chiuda poha.
So very was. And सब दोस्तों के साथ, I mean, मॉर्निंग में एंजॉय करते थे. देन आफ्टर प्लेइंग स्पोर्ट्स, क्रिकेट, हम सब एंजॉय करते थे. सो अभी दहलकर, कार्तिक, अगर आप वीडियो देख रहे होंगे तो रिमेंबर जरूर करना आपने.
कि कोई भी उन दिनों को याद करता है तो बस उन दिनों में यादों में ही डूब जाता है.
So Shubham, जैसे कि you know very well, we don't have that much campus opportunity in last year, okay, in our college. एंड मोस्टली सबको लास्ट ईयर में, स्पेशली लास्ट सेमेस्टर में यही टेंशन रहता है कि कैंपस प्लेसमेंट कहाँ पे होगा. एंड तूने इंटर्नशिप भी नहीं किया था. आई मीन यू आर डूइंग रिसर्च इन कॉलेज लास्ट ईयर. सो ऑल दिस कंसिडरिंग ऑल दिस नॉन कैंपस अवेलेबिलिटी, ये सब कंसिडर करके व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इन योर माइंड एट दैट टाइम?
It was a big blunder actually. So there was तब job था में, GATE exam थी, then there was PSUs, and then other than that we were also thinking for the campus. गिनी चुनी 1-2 कंपनीज आती थी, उसमें से अदानी, बट लास्ट मोमेंट वो भी कि अदानी ने भी फिर केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग के लिए इंटरव्यूज नहीं लिए. So it was all blunder. We were in big dilemma what to do and what not to do. Yes, it was a tough time, but we always know that we need to do something. Either we go for higher studies or we need to get a job. So higher studies was never an option for me. So a job was always the priority. And I was with my mindset. So if I got the selection in campus, that is fine. If I don't got it, so I will be giving interviews with various firms which is in my interest area. Which was in my interest area. And
correct. So you made it clear. You made your mindset clear. Believe in yourself and go ahead. करेक्ट गाइस. आपको मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि कैंपस से सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ, दैट्स नॉट एन इशू यार. मार्केट में बहुत जॉब्स है. आपके टैलेंट के ऊपर, आपके इस काबिलियत के ऊपर आपको बहुत सारी जॉब मिली थी मार्केट में. जस्ट एज शुभम से बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ. शुभम, डू यू रिमेंबर योर 10 lakh value job? You got opportunity for a 10 lakh package at the age of 23.
yes.
So you refuse it. I mean, refusing such kind of opportunity for middle class people at the age of 23, it's very difficult. So while refusing it, what is going on in your mind? How you are going to deal all these things, and how you take decision for refusing that 10 lakh value job?
Yeah, it was actually a bit difficult decision. It was very tough for me to refuse that job, but as if everybody needs money, and I was also in need. So I was looking for a job which will give me a better money. But more than that, it is also important that we should pursue our career in a field which is of our interest and where you all actually want to work in and where you see yourself growing. So, in terms of getting money, that was a good option, but it was not a sustainable long-term job. It was more of a commercial thing and not was actually in my field of interest. So I continued with what I was doing, and I got the results for that.
Okay, so you are always stick with your interest.
Yes, it is. It is actually important for us because to choose a career and choose it wisely. It is very important that we should get into something which is of our interest, where you actually want to work. Your work should be your part of interest, and it should not be a burden for yourself. Then only it is possible to get organic growth in any kind
Yes,
of
yes, and
industry.
then only you will sustainable up to long time.
Yes.
So Shubham, you are now Pan India based manager, and everyone knows there are so many challenges facing while we are doing manager role. And at the age of 23, you become manager. So what are the challenges you face at that manager position, and how you are tackling all these challenges?
So basically, being a manager is not that hard. But being a manager at such a young age is a bit difficult. Being a manager, there are responsibilities of the team, their performances, and everything. That is a part. But being specifically in our field of water and wastewater and air treatment, we have people in our industry at managerial and above level of not such a young age. They are of a bit elder ages. They are in their 40s, 50s, or even 60s. So usually it is a bit difficult for people to accept a new fellow catering such a big exposure and with such big responsibilities, as well as some power in his hand at early age. So there are many people actually who just try to make you feel down as being a of so younger age. But it's a part of the corporate culture. There are many people who get a good position with their performance at early age, and there are big challenges. So the important thing is we must learn from the elder ones or what mistakes they have done. We must learn from their mistakes so that same we should not commit. And further, we should always get focus on our work, what we are doing, and that's it.
Up to that level, up to reach that level, you have to face so many ups and downs. So any ups and downs did you face during that period?
Yeah, there are always ups and downs. So if you need to reach somewhere and if you need to somewhere which is at a top, so a road will never be a normal road. So you always need to go through the tough road of mountains where you will be falling again. You need to again push yourself. You need to bounce back and just climb up. So there were instances wherein which made feel like now there were instances like which made me feel now it's over. So it was like I was not able to see the path from that instant how I will proceed. But the important thing is we must focus on what we actually want, where you want to reach actually. So if your willing is such a strong, then that way you will find the ways that how you will reach them.
So Shubham, as we all are facing COVID-19 pandemic, and you are from air, water, disinfectant and sterilization treatment industry. So what are the equipments you are going to make, and what are the precautions you are going to guide our audience, as now WHO also gives statement that COVID-19 will spread from air. So what are the precautions you are going to give us?
The best thing is, if possible, please stay at your home. But I know now, as we are into the unlock phase, everybody wants to get back to their jobs and everywhere. Most important thing is we must wash our hands frequently, and the important thing is we must wear mask everywhere we go. Actually, we people, my company works on disinfection and sterilization equipment. So we have developed some equipment for sterilization of the indoor spaces, which will take care of the most touching surfaces in the public places, as well as it will take care to disinfect air. So in that way, by utilizing those equipments, you can actually get prevented from the contamination of COVID-19. Well, it's not our promotional videos. I will not say much about that. But yes, if you have a specific issue, please come to us.
Okay, so it's all about that you have to take care of yourself.
Yeah.
So that's it, guys. Please stay at home and take care of yourself and your family. So that's the
Yes.
end of our first session, Shubham. So now we have second
Yeah.
session, that is rapid fire question round. So are you ready for that?
Interesting. Sounds interesting. Yes, yeah.
So Shubham, can we start our second round? So my first question is, what is the capital of Bangkok?
Bangkok is the capital of Thailand, actually.
What? Sorry?
Bangkok is the capital of Thailand.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah,
Then-
right.
Yes. Then love marriage or arranged marriage?
There should be a love and life, and that should be converted in arranged marriage.
Diplomatic answer, huh? And how many rupees package PM Modi announced at 2 months before?
Yeah, it is about 20 lakh crore rupees.
Yeah, correct. So 11th, 12th is best or engineering life is best?
Engineering, of course.
So you have, I think, so many good memories with engineering. So which one we call it's Bhagavad Gita of chemical engineering?
So it is Perry's handbook. It is Perry's handbook.
Yeah. Correct. I think Bhate sir told
Yes,
us Perry's
Perry's
handbook is the
handbook.
Bhagavad Gita of chemical engineering. Yeah. What will be the TDS level of water which is drinkable?
Drinking level permissible TDS is approximately, it should not be more than 250 ppm. If it is below than that, then it is permissible.
Okay. And as you did your engineering for research, then you are doing job in marketing. So what will be the better, research or marketing?
There should be research, then there will be development after research, and that you should market.
Okay, so it's step by step. Okay. Dancing or singing?
Probably both. I'm not available for both, but yeah, we can go for singing. Yes.
I have one picture, guys. I will show you. As you can see, Shubham is enjoying lots of dancing. But ये सिर्फ फेयरवेल में हुआ था. इसके पहले शुभम ने कभी जिंदगी में डांस नहीं किया था हमारे साथ. And I'll show you some 2 or 3 images. You can enjoy it. Yeah. Then, if anyone give you 2 options, what will you choose from the below option? Businessman or advisor?
Businessman or advisor? Yeah. You should be a businessman. Yes.
That's pretty cool, man. So that's the end of second session. So
Yeah.
we have last session. So can we start our last session?
Yes, please.
So Shubham, especially you are from non-campus college. I mean, जहाँ पे campus की opportunity इतनी नहीं रहती है, and तभी भी you are in such a great position. So, what advice you are going to give our viewers or our youngsters, especially those students, those engineers who are from non-campus college, जो campus में select नहीं होते. So, what kind of advice you are going to give them in their field of interest?
See, there are various aspects. So, It is not only about our college, it is about almost every engineering college. Every junior who is in very early second year, third year, fourth year, he must be in touch with the seniors actually. Seniors who have got the opportunity to get into the market and industry, so they understand it better because they have experienced it by themselves. So the people who are in final year must get in touch and with the seniors who are passed out before 2-3 batches. So they will give you better and best advices that what actually going there in the market, what are the various opportunities available there. Because relevant to your specific field, they will guide you. Secondly, it is not because nowadays engineering colleges have been multiplied by just horribly multiplied. The number of engineering colleges in Maharashtra is it's so big. There are n number of engineers getting out every year, and it is not actually possible to get all of them placed in companies via campus, college campus placements. Thing is, you must build your personality in a way that you should get the job wherever you will give an interview. You should have the sound enough technical knowledge. You should be good with your soft skills, and you must wisely choose the area of your interest. It may be production, it may be a quality analytical thing, it may be research and development, or else it will be a marketing. You must choose it wisely as per your personality, which will suit you, also as per your interest. So that is basically my advice to the juniors, what they should do.
Correct. Rightly said, Shubham. You should choose your field according to your interest
Yes.
and stick with that field only.
Yes.
Don't change because of the commercial problem and commercial everything, and believe in yourself.
Yes, the commercial issues are everywhere. There are more than 50% of good students face commercial issues, but you need to balance all of them, commercials as well as your career. So you should be always focused on what you want, and accordingly you need to proceed.
So that's it, guys, and that's it, Shubham.
Yeah.
We have our first talk,
Yes.
first interview. We have one परंपरा लाइक जो भी हमारे PSPT कट्टा पे आता है तो कैमरे के सामने हैशटैग करके एवरी पर्सन हैज ओन कंटेंट. It's our tagline, and basically it's our tagline for our channel.
Every person
Because
has its
we
own.
believe in that.
Yeah, it's good tagline.
We believe in that. Yeah. Thank you. So we believe in that every person has their own content, own life, and we can learn everything. We can learn anything for anyone. So that's why we made that tagline. So can you just do one thing for us? So make hashtag on your camera and say every person has own content.
Yeah, every person has its own content.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So once again, thank you, Shubham. Thank you for coming on PSPT Katta. I hope you enjoyed and you like to come again in our PSPT Katta.
Yeah. Thank you, Sarup. I think it was after a long duration, we were doing such kind of interaction for such a long time. So thank you for inviting me on your channel, and it's a good initiative. All the best for your initiative.
Yeah. Thank you. So guys, that's it, our first interview with Mr. Shubham Dudane. If you like it, please hit the like button. Also चैनल भी नया है, कंसेप्ट भी नहीं है, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए. एंड प्लीज़ शेयर एज मच एज यू कैन, बिकॉज वीडियो बहुत मोटिवेशनल एंड इंस्पिरेशनल है, तो बहुत सारे लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहिए. ऑल्सो लास्ट वन, अगर आपको भी लगता है कि आपकी लाइफ मोटिवेशनल है, इंस्पिरेशनल है, आपकी लाइफ की जर्नी किसी को इंस्पायर कर सकती है, मोटिवेट कर सकती है, नीचे दिए गए ईमेल आईडी पे हमें कांटेक्ट कीजिए. डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी मैं ईमेल आईडी छोड़ दूंगा, तो उस पर हमें कांटेक्ट कीजिए एंड वी विल कांटेक्ट यू बैक. सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइज वंस अगेन फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. जय हिंद.